In this lesson, we're going to be showing you how you can download, set up, and install amps.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So amps is available at softlicious.com downloads, and you can also go to amps.com. So they have their very own website where you can download the version that you're looking for. So they've got Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. And the really cool thing about amps is that you do have the ability to switch between PHP versions right within the control panel. So this is a really a powerful version of a local machine that you can run on your computer. They also have Python, Mongo database, MySQL, and it's got all the different versions that are available. So select the one that's right for your computer, go ahead and download it from the packages below, and then once you've downloaded it, currently I'm on a Windows machine, so I'm going to be downloading this one over here, and then run the setup. So once you've downloaded it, you can run the setup. So basically, the current version of amps is 3.6, and then you can go through the options here. This one is just the license agreement. So again, it shows you all of the different packages that are going to be running on the system. So it's got all the different Apache server licenses, MySQL, PHP MyAdmin license, and so on. So once you've read through all of these and accepted the terms, you get another option here, more information about amps, and it's got some default applications, PHP applications that can run directly in amps, and these are just simply one-click installs from Softlicious. So if you are familiar with their website, they provide a whole lot of different pre-configured packages that you can really easily install, such as these applications, Joomla, WordPress, and so on. So these can really easily be installed right within your installation of amps, and that's the good thing about amps is, and that's one of the real benefits of amps, if you are using these on your live web application, then you can also make a copy of them locally on your computer really easily, run them on your local machine, and so on. So that's one of the reasons why people choose amps as well, because of all of those apps that are available. So over 200 different apps that are available. So again, select your destination, go ahead and install on the folder, selecting again the location and how it's going to be referenced, desktop icon, quick launch, start menu, and then you can go ahead and do the install. So the install will take quite a while. I'm going to pause the video and jump back in once we've finished installing. And again, this is an installation that's being done on a Windows machine. For Macs, the installation is relatively similar, just like you would set up any other application on a Mac. It does have a fixed path, so applications, amps, and when you run amps for the first time, make sure that you do have an internet connection. And then once you've done the install, you can go to applications, amps, amps.app, and this is where you can access it and open it up and view the control panel for amps. So once you've finished doing the install, you can go ahead and open it up, and that brings you to the control panel, and the control panel is where all of the magic happens, and we're going to be looking at that in the upcoming lesson.